I'm Martin from Atlantic Timber and we're introducing our new 50 by 50 engineered redwood product. Any joiner will tell you that 50 by 50 is always a nightmare of a size because it's not actually brought into the country as 50 by 50. 50 by 100 is brought into the country and that's split to give you 50 by 50. The problem with that is if there's any tension in the wood, the two pieces as they come off the saw tend to go like this and keeping it straight is a nightmare. So one of our suppliers had the great idea of producing an engineered 50 by 50. So instead of it just being one continuous piece, anything longer than about 3 meters goes like a banana. This is finger jointed together, made up of small blocks. To reduce that, they can be selective with the orientation of the grain of the pieces that are glued together. It's great from an eco-friendly point of view because they can use almost everything to give a straighter product and a much more eco-friendly product. Usually products that have got more machining processes attached to them increases the cost. I think because they're using lots of short pieces, even though there's a bit of machining involved in putting those finger joints on, it actually makes the product slightly cheaper than a normal 50 by 50 product. A lot of our customers are cabinet makers who are doing things like media walls, alcove cupboards, and 50 by 50 is a size that they use a lot of. So I'd imagine this is going to save them a lot of time and make them happy because they don't have to sift through loads of pieces to find a straight one. I think its biggest sort of claim to fame is the the use of the offcuts, being able to use those. Some of these pieces are only 150mm, so they would almost certainly be waste. So if there's a way that we can put them back into the supply chain, into a usable product, I think that range is only going to grow.